Hello dear friends, I am Dr. Ashok Evle, Assistant Professor from Department of Zoology, KTHM College, Nasik. Today's presentation we are going to discuss a topic, publishing article in a journal. Under this topic we are discuss topics like selection of journal, impact factor, ISSN number, peer review journal and science citation index. So, in the beginning, what is journal? Journals are the scholarly publications of articles written by various researchers and experts. Unlike newspaper and magazine, journals are intended for academician or technical readers only, not for general, and in another word, it is also known as periodicals. Now, what are different objectives of the journal? There are different objectives of a journal. First objective is it is based on current issue. Mostly the journals include current updates of social and environmental issues. Whatever problems faced by society or industry, researchers work on the problems and their work published in a journal for the people. Second objective is it has a serial number, each issue considered as volume. So on a daily basis, journals are published in a research work in different issues in the form of book or it is considered as volume. Then third objective is it includes original research work. Mostly the journals publish only original research work. The originality and validity of work can be checked by experts in the same field, and after the review of article it will publish in a journal. Then next objective is to publish it on regular basis, either monthly, quarterly, half yearly or yearly. Since the establishment of journal, editor continuously publish various research paper in a journal. So sometimes journal may be weekly, sometimes journal may monthly, quarterly means publish within a period of 3 months, half yearly publish within a period of 6 months, and some journals are yearly. And next objective is it is available in printed or online or in both format. Generally, journals are published in both format, either printed or in a online format. But nowadays, due to advanced technology, journals are available in both format. It is printed and online format. Now, what are different types of journal? See, generally there are three types of journal. One, scholar research journal. Second, professional journal, and news magazine journal. First, scholar research journal. The scholar research journal include various research articles on current issues in the field of science and technology. Even these journals are peer review and available online for access to the people. Second, professional journal. Professional journal includes articles related to trading, marketing or innovation in industrial appliances. New technologies widely spread over the world in the form of journal. These journals provide a platform to know new technologies to the people in advanced way. And third, news magazine journal. News magazine journal publish on daily basis or monthly basis. These journals include news updates of the world or throughout the country, and new innovations or current issues is described in this type of journal in detail very well. So broadly the journals are classified into three categories. First, scholarly research journal, professional journal and news magazine journal. So for publishing article in a journal, what are the steps or how we can select a journal for publishing our research article? There are different tools. First tool is journal citation report. Each journal has journal citation report, so we can check the JCR, that is journal citation report of journal, before publishing article in a journal. Even we can check Scopus, Web of Science, Scimago, journal and country rank, that is SJR. So these are the various tools we can use for checking a status of journal in a market for publishing our article. So let's first journal citation report. Journal citation report critically evaluate the journal along with statistical information based on citation data. Means this website provide a statistical information of a journal, so we can critically evaluate journal for publication of our article. Second, it measures a level or category of a journal on the basis of relationship between citing and cited journal. Means how many journals or how many articles cited for various articles, we can access this report for publication. Even the library website we can select for analyzing a journal HP. So these website you can use for checking status of journal. Journal citation report useful to find out highest impact factor journal, and even it compare a custom selection of journal. Second, Scopus. Scopus is a tool for tracking, analyzing an abstract and citation database owned by Elsevier, an international publication group since 2004. So this publication group will help to track and analyze your article published in various journal. Scopus covers nearly 36,377 titles from approximately 11,678 publishers, of which 34,346 are peer-reviewed journals in the subject like life science, social science and health science. Even Scopus is a multidisciplinary database of citation which provides an abstract from peer-reviewed journal, patent and conferences proceedings also. Then Web of Science. The Web of Science is a website which provides subscription-based access to multiple databases that provide a comprehensive citation data for many different academic disciplines. So different academic discipline, either from medicine or either from literature or art, humanity, etc. So Web of Science was originally produced by Institute of Scientific Information and currently it is maintained by Clarivate Analytics, operated from United States since 1997. It also covers a citation of subject of science, social science and humanities. Then SJR, that is Scopus. Scimago Journal Rank. Scimago Journal Rank is an indicator to measure a scientific influence of scholar journal that accounts for both number and citation review by the journals. Scimago provides journal ranks making use of data supplied by Scopus, which covers more than 36,000 journals, and even only Web of Science, Google Scholar and Scopus provide information regarding citation only, but Scimago Journal Rank shows a major quality of a journal. Now, what is impact factor? Impact factor is an average number of times article from journal published in past 2 years have been cited. It is an important tool to evaluate a status of journal in a market. Suppose XYZ is a journal and its impact factor is 5.45 in the year 2019. So it is calculated on the basis of past 2 years. Suppose it is calculated on the year 2017 and 2018. It is being quoted in 19 year. The formula for calculating impact factor is impact factor equal to number of citations upon total number of articles. So by using this formula, editors can calculate the impact factor of a journal. So those journals have high impact factor, we have to select such a journal for publishing our article in a journal. Second, H-index. H-index citation value is again important for publishing article. H-index is an author level metric that measures both productivity and citation impact of publication of scientists and scholars. Now, how we can find the H-index value of a journal? See, first enter the name of author in the top search box. For example, Aurora DE is the name of author. You have to write the name of author in a search box. Then select author from drop down menu on the right. Second step, click on search, and third step, click the citation report. On the right hand corner of the result page, the H-index value of a journal mentioned right of the scale. So you can access the H-index citation value of a journal by using this strategy. Then ISSN number. ISSN number is nothing but International Standard Serial Number. ISSN is an 8-digit serial number used to unique identify a serial publication of newspaper, magazine and journals. Most of the countries ISSN number is compulsory now, and it is mentioned on upper right corner of the cover page. ISSN has two groups, means the 8-digit number is equally divided into two groups by separating a hyphen. 8-digit is to check a digit that calculate the modulus 11 algorithm on the basis of 7 preceding digit. Then suppose seeing the example of ISSN number, ISSN 02193725, it is a ISSN number of a series of a journal, and sometime it is mentioned by ISSN 1040-125X. So this X is nothing but the result of computing is equal to 10 in order to avoid ambiguity. Then peer review journal. What is peer review journal? See, nowadays there is a great importance to peer review journal. Means most of the researchers select peer review journal for publishing their article. Peer means quality, and peer review journal is also known as refereed or scholar journal. So the articles are written by researcher and reviewed by expert in the same field before the article published. See, in this type of journal, when you send your article for publishing to the editor, editor send your article for review to the expert of same field. So by reviewing process, you have to nullify the queries or whatever mistakes made by researcher in an article, and after the accuracy in an article, publisher want to publish the article of a researcher. It also acts as a filter to ensure that only high quality research work for publish. Means in a peer review journal, you have to select for publish your paper, they accept only high quality research work, otherwise your paper should be rejected. Peer review journal help to determine the validity, significance and originality. Means whenever your article sent to expert for reviewing, they want to check a validity of work, significance of work and originality of work. So after checking validity, significance and originality of a work, reviewers send your article to the editor for publish. So peer review journal helps to publisher whether your article is accepted or not accepted for publication. So you have to select peer review journal for publication of your article. Then Science Citation Index. Science Citation Index is a citation index originally produced by Institute for Scientific Information and created by Eugene Garfield. It was officially launched in 1964 and it is owned by a producer Clarivate Analytics. It is an international group of publication and operated by Canada and Hong Kong. The Science Citation Index covers 8,500 notable and significant journals across 150 disciplines of science, medicine and technology. So in this way, today's presentation we discuss what are various tools considered for publication of article in good quality journal which has high impact factor and high index value. So thank you so much for watching this presentation. Thank you.